Hello everyone, welcome to Couples Kitchen. In this video we will make strudel with poppy seeds. This recipe is made of two parts, the dough and the filling. And for the dough we will need 20 grams of fresh yeast, 250 grams of white flour, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 1 vanilla sugar. In that vanilla sugar bag you have 8 grams, half teaspoon of salt, 125 milliliters of hot chamomile tea, 75 milliliters of sunflower oil, and you will need to grind 1 teaspoon of lemon bark. So that is it for the dough. And for the filling part you will need 200 grams of grounded poppy seeds, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of plum jam or any other jam if you don't like plum, and a little bit of hot water that you will decide on the end how much is enough. And in this cake you don't have eggs, you don't have milk, you don't have anything, so you can call it vegetarian or even vegan, I think. The first step, you will take the 125 milliliters of chamomile tea and put 1 teaspoon of flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, mix it a little bit so the flour falls apart. And then put yeast in it, so the yeast can activate. So the yeast started to work, and that is nice. We'll continue to the next step. We had problems with our camera again, so the part that you have missed is not so important. We just put in all ingredients for the dough and mix it with yeast. Now she will hand knead it so it gets compact. The longer you knead it, the yeast will activate better and the dough will increase easily. In another pot you will put down the poppy seeds, sugar and plum jam or any other, and mix it and blend it together. And you will slowly add water, so it needs to get like cream. So now she will start to add water little by little. So that would be it. So the next thing, we'll take out the dough. See, she doubled in size. Now she will sprinkle a little bit of flour on the working surface so she can thin down the dough. It needs to be thinned half of centimeter. She will take the rolling pin and thin it down. Now when the dough is thinned out, you will put the filling on, but you need to leave some space on the sides, around 1 centimeters for each side. If the filling is not sweet enough for you, you can add a little bit more of sugar, just like that. And now she will put the ends a little bit inward, the parallel ones, and now she will slowly roll the strudel in, and as you roll it, you pull it towards you so it gets more compact. Slow and easy. So that will be it. And now you just take the dish that you're gonna put it in. Now you will cover it and leave it to rest about 15 to 20 minutes so it can grow a little bit. After we have waited from 15 to 20 minutes, we will turn on the oven so it gets warm on 180 degrees. And then while the oven gets warm, we will brush the dough with a little bit of water, and then we will put it in oven. But if the dough gets really red fast, you will need to put a tin foil on it, aluminium tin foil, so it doesn't get burned. After you have been done brushing the strudel, you will put it in oven on about 20 minutes, but you will need to check it every 10 minutes to 5 minutes so it doesn't get burned. So the strudel is finished, and it should look something like this. Now we will cover it again and let it sit about 10 minutes so it softens nicely, and then we're gonna cut it so you can see how the inside looks. It's still hot, as you can see, but it is good. So this is the finished product. You see how the inside is beautiful, it's rich, and believe me, it's very tasty. So if you are new around here and you like this kind of videos, you can consider subscribe, like or share. And thank you for watching, and see you next time. Ciao!
Ciao!